Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. I hope you all are doing great and keeping healthy. So today's video is about a walk around, that is the external inspection of an aircraft which a pilot is supposed to do before and after each flight. So make sure you're wearing a fluorescent safety jacket and carrying a flashlight at night time. So starting from the front left, we have a forward outflow valve. There's one in the aft as well. That's due to the big size of the airplane. These outflow valves helps in pressurization of the aircraft, maintaining that. So airplane's body looks shiny and clean. There's the front nose wheel well area, chokes are in, so there will be no movement of the aircraft due to any slope while the airplane is parked on the ground. That's the aircraft registration number. And going on the top left hand side, we got to check pitot probe, ice detector, TAT probe, and angle of attack vane, that they are clear and are not covered and are not damaged as well. Coming down again, the strut is not fully compressed, tire grooves checked, nose gear steering is locked out, taxi light and landing lights are clean, the lenses are not damaged. Make sure that the gear pin is removed, one in the nose gear and two on each main gear. That's the right door, and the black wire is the right glide slope track antenna. Similarly, on the opposite door we have the left and center glide slope track antenna. The two black wires will be there. I'll just show you in a minute. The struts are attached properly and are not loose. These are the two black wires, the glide slope track antenna left and center. The main glide slope localizer and weather radar are inside the radome, which we are going to check by standing in front of the airplane, checking that the radome is not damaged and that the windows are clean and the wipers are stored properly. So this is how the nose bay area looks like. These are the two glide slope track antennas, and then we check the radome and the wipers by standing up front of the aircraft 12 o'clock. So nose area looks clean. Going behind the nose gear, we check the APU fire ground control panel. The light is extinguished and there is no fire warning horn. Sideways, forward cargo. The right hand side is supposed to be checked the similar way. We check the left hand side, the pitot probes and other probes. Going underneath the body, we check various antennas. That's the nose gear camera, and this is how it looks in the cockpit. And the 6 radio altimeter is white color. Sideways, going backwards, that's the ram air door, right hand side. Wing light, negative pressure repulse, that's the number 2 right hand side door. Static ports are clean. And the forward cargo. Going backwards, those are the turn off and landing lights, both are installed with the same glass panel. The wing leading edge, wing root, Kruger flap. That's the wheel well area. Anti-collision light checked. Ram air deflector checked. Static port is clean. The engine is over 3 meters wide and over 7 meters in length. Weighs over 8 tons. There are 22 blades. This is the biggest jet engine ever built for a commercial aircraft. Make sure there is no damage. No sign of any bird strike. It's clean. Again, we are checking the static port. And this is the third sleeve, that is the last thrust reverser sleeve. Make sure it is aligned with the other two engine nacelles. There's the tail cone, looking at the back of the engine from behind, making sure there are no loose articles in there, no missing panel. No damage in the engine and no oil leaks. Now checking the leading edge of the right hand side wing. It's clean. All the panels are there, nothing is missing. There are 15 static dischargers on each wing. On the right wing, 2 green bulbs in the front, 2 steady white bulbs at the back. Fuel jettison nozzle. Flap track fairings. The APU is working, I can say that because the APU inlet door is open at the tail. Coming back, flapper on. Make sure all the seals are there, nothing is hanging from up there. This is the main wheel well area. The gears, check the condition of the gears, the pins, the gear pins are removed. This is how we look in the cockpit on the brake temperature monitoring system. The pressure and the temperature of each wheel, starting from the left to right, top to bottom. Only the main gears are counted, starting from the front left tire. Brake wear indicator. There are 2 pins on each wheel. The 24 wheels pins in total on 12 wheels. Semi-levered gear, wheel well area. There's the side brace, there's the drag brace. The gear pins are removed. That's the rat area, ram air turbine is closed. Aft cargo area, and that's the bulk cargo area. The tail is one of the most important section. So to make sure that there is no discoloration, no scratches, and especially the tail skid indicator, there is no damage to it. That's the last door, R5 door, right inside 5th door. And now on the stabilizer we have the cameras for the main gear, which have auto tilt. This is how it looks from the cockpit. On the right hand side, the bottom right square, that's the right main gear. 8 static discharges on each stabilizer. So total of 24 static discharges on 3 stabilizers. That is 2 horizontal and 1 vertical. 2 steady white lights at the tail cone. Now the left hand side is supposed to be checked the similar way, the way we have checked the right hand side. That's the outlet of the APU. Aft outflow valve at the bottom. The wing area looks clean. 2 steady white lights working at the tip. Logo light to be checked at night time. The body looks clean. So the main gear is to be checked in the similar pattern, the way we have checked the right hand side, anti-clockwise and clockwise for the engine. The condition of the tires, brake wear indicator, semi-levered gear, gear doors, shocks in, no leaks, flap track fairing. That's the light for the main gear, jettison nozzle. 2 red bulbs in the front and 2 steady white bulbs at the back. Checking the leading edge and any loose panels. Fueling in progress. Make sure you're not using any network device next to the fueling network, like cell phones, etc. Checking behind the engine if there is any damage. So clockwise we go on the engine. Fan blades moving due to windmill. So windmilling. Lights checked. Ram air deflector, static port clean. As per regulations, whenever refueling is going on and passengers on board, you have to have 2 primary exits available. That is the jetty line. However, the airplane is empty right now. There is only 1 jetty line. Negative pressure relief valves, static ports are clean. So statics are clean, 2 positive pressure relief valves and the overboard exhaust valve. So with this, we've come to an end of the external inspection. Hope you liked it. Before I end this video, I would like to share some other facts of 777-300ER aircraft. Like I can tell that Blue Korean aircraft is also a 300 series airplane. I can say that because there is a door over the wing which is missing on a 200 series airplane. So that's a 300 series aircraft. Also, while the airplane taxis on a taxiway covered with snow, and from the cockpit on the display when you can't see the tires. So as a helping aid, there's a black color stripe over the top of the wing. So if you're looking at the stripe, it's as good as you're looking at the main gear. Keeping that stripe inside the pavement ensures that the main gear is inside the pavement. That's the taxiway. That's the black stripe. Hope you like the video. Do subscribe, share and like. Thank you.